In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render a wireframe scene. Yesterday, I've shown you how to use an external image editing application to produce wireframe render images. Today, I'll show you how to produce wireframe renders without using an external application. Here are 4 wireframe mesh examples in a render preview mode. I'll show you how to reproduce the wireframe meshes shown on the screen. Let's create an icosphere. As you can see, we can't see the wireframe if we just use the default icosphere. Press Shift-D to duplicate and Enter to settle. Add a wireframe modifier and set its thickness to 0.002. Change the wireframe mesh's color to black. That's how we produce the wireframe meshes. Let's recreate the rest of the example meshes the same way. This one is special, because the mesh was triangulated. In order to produce the triangulated meshes, we need to use the triangulate function found in the face menu. I'll show you how it gets done. This is the end of the wireframe render tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.